Hello everyone, myself Tisha Gulati from CPJ College of Higher Studies and School of Law. And if you are planning to appear for CLAT 2026, you have taken the first step towards the rewarding career in law. Now let us understand what CLAT test really means. It is not just about the knowledge, but it is more about clarity, logical reasoning and time management. So here are some few tips regarding your preparations in CLAT 2026. Tip 1 is to master your basics. Your subjects like GK, English, logical reasonings, legal aptitudes and quantitative reasonings. Rather than focusing upon the advanced studies, you need to first focus on the basics of these subjects. Tip 2 is to read newspapers daily. Newspapers like The Hindu, Indian Express, especially the editorial part of it because it gives you the insight about the countries. Tip 3 is to practice mock test. At least once in a week you should practice mock test. It helps you to enhance your capabilities and challenge yourself, especially in time management. So practice mock test every week. Tip 4 is to focus on legal reasoning. Rather than focusing upon the correct answers, it is most important to think critically. Think like a lawyer and answer these questions very carefully. Read questions line by line and then answer it. Tip 5 is to stay consistent. Rather studying for 10 hours a day, you can only study for 1 and 2 hours and still able to crack CLAT 2026. So study smart and crack your CLAT 2026. Finally, believe in yourself. CLAT success is not about the luck, but rather the discipline and consistency you have. At CPJ School of Law, we provide personalized mentorship, personalized interactive sessions and as well as mock tests. So very all the best for your CLAT preparations 2026.